Dareu has released a new competitive gaming mouse in China, the AE6 V2 Legend Edition. It is priced at 329 yuan, $48, and targets competitive gamers with a focus on flagship-grade hardware and performance. The mouse features the new AIM3955 Pro optical sensor, developed in collaboration with PixArt. It supports up to 50,000 dpi sensitivity, 750 IPS tracking speed, and 60G acceleration. Inside, the mouse is powered by a Nordic 54L15 controller. Built on a 22nm process, the chip allows the AE6 V2 to support an 8,000 Hz polling rate in both wired and 2.4 GHz wireless modes. To help manage the battery drain associated with this, Dareu included firmware that automatically adjusts power consumption depending on whether the mouse is being used for gaming or basic desktop tasks. Physically, the AE6 V2 Legend Edition weighs 59 grams. Instead of using a perforated outer shell to cut weight, Dareu used an internal skeletal frame to maintain the structural rigidity of the solid plastic shell. The exterior is finished with a matte UV coating to resist sweat and improve grip. For the primary buttons, the mouse uses Omron mechanical switches rated for 100 million clicks. Dareu also implemented its KBS Light button design, which is intended to reduce pre-travel and make the click feel consistent regardless of where you press the button. The bottom of the mouse features 100% PTFE feet, and the company includes pre-cut grip tape in the box. According to Dareu, the shape of the mouse is the result of over 200 mold revisions over 3 years, designed to work with palm, claw, and fingertip grip styles. Battery life is dependent on how you use the mouse. The built-in 500 mAh battery is rated to last over 330 hours in wireless mode if you keep the polling rate at the standard 1000 Hz. If you switch to the maximum 8000 Hz polling rate, the battery life drops significantly to around 40 to 50 hours. The mouse includes standard LED indicators to check the current battery level and connection status.